In this guide, we are going over the very best deck for you to use here in Arena 9 here in Clash Royale. Before we do dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Today specifically, we've got the Arena 9 Goblin Giant Double Prince deck, which is by far one of the strongest beatdown options with a 3.5 elixir cost. Now to play it, you're obviously going to want to take advantage of your man win condition, and that's actually going to be the Goblin Giant right here. He tanks for your push while his Spear Goblins poke away from behind. Pair him with either Prince or Dark Prince, and suddenly you've got an insane dual lane pressure. Prince is your heavy single target damage dealer, shredding tanks and punishing players who ignore him. The Dark Prince, on the other hand, is going to give you splash damage with his charge, which is great for handling swarms. Together, they're unstoppable if not countered properly. On defense, though, you're going to have Bats and Gobble Gang to distract and chip things down, while Spear Goblins are cheap support that keep your cycle fast. Your spell combo of Fireball plus Zap is going to be incredibly reliable, and Fireball is going to be used for glass cannons and big pushes, while Zap is going to be used to reset Inferno or just clear out skeleton swarms. What makes this deck so strong, though, is its godly synergy. Goblin Giant tanks, the princes strike fast, and your cycle units keep you ahead. It's versatile, strong on both offense and defense, and by far one of the most fun decks to master here in Arena 9. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.